is Anna, and today we're talking about how to create our nail studio to feel more luxury. So,
On the budget.
on the budget, yeah, this is important.
On
yeah,
the budget.
On the budget, yeah.
Not breaking the bank.
Yeah, okay. Anna, what do you think? What is a mindset of luxury?
Luxury is not about the decor which is around us. Luxury is about the feeling. All the clients want, they want to feel pampered, they want to feel looked after and taken care of.
Okay, if we're talking about our little studios, what is the affordable way to create a luxury atmosphere in our studio?
Absolutely free of charge is, first of all, a nice smell in the studio. When it smells nicely, it doesn't cost a lot to get a candle, a diffuser, put some oils, and the clients will remember that scent and that smell in your studio. Secondly is the sound.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It can be the background of the TV with their favorite soap operas. It can be a sound bath. It can be a soothing, nice, soft sound. It's already up to you how you want to create that luxurious, pampered experience. In the third place is the little decor that we can use. They don't request lots of money, but little box, little vase, or a little flower on the side that can give you that a little bit of extra feeling, a little candle. Even once you buy the candle and it's already serving and for the smell and as a decor. One of the last ones that I would like to mention, but it's very important, is being tidy and minimalistic. Already decluttering everything and just taking away from the surfaces will make a huge difference in the experience of your clients when they're coming to visit you.
Okay. What about little details that can make our place special and luxury?
It doesn't cost a lot to use branded towels on the table, or branded utensils, like instruments. That doesn't cost a lot. Use hardware, cups and glass rather than plastic, which makes a huge difference.
Little branded chocolates, let's say.
Yes, little chocolates that you can offer to your clients. That doesn't cost a lot, but it makes a huge impact. Warm towels to clean their hands after a long day would make a huge difference as well. So it's all about the feeling, a little bit of warmth, cozy, and it makes the whole difference.
And what about services, that can make our clients feel special?
About the services, it can be a mini spa treatment, a mini massage that we can use to pamper and treat. It can be 1 or 2 minutes. It doesn't need to be long, but it's going to be already changing the atmosphere, using a little bit of oil, a little bit of a hand cream, such things as no rush. That gives definitely that high-end finish to the service when the client is not rushed. It's relaxed, it feels pampered. Yes, we remember that luxury is not about the decor, it's about the feeling, how the client feels in the moment.
How to use words and services to create this luxury atmosphere?
Well, personalized touch, of course, remembering their preferences, what luxury they prefer, the products they prefer, the shape, the colors, the design. Maybe remembering when is their birthday and gifting them for their birthday like a little cuticle oil or a little bit of, an extra design for example.
Or even an extra mask,
Or extra mask. Any extra that you're making for your clients, it will feel special, exactly. And of course, using luxurious words, instead of saying, let's apply hand cream on your hands, try to say, put it in a different words. Let's moisturize your hands using our special hydration treatment. So it feels a little bit different hand cream and luxurious hand treatment. It makes them feel and percept the idea absolutely different.
Okay. As well, our loyalty gifts are important.
Yeah. Anything that can give that a little bit of an extra hint to service, it creates that luxurious experience of our clients. So let's summarize and remember, on the budget, it's not about the decor that is in the room, it's all about what you're offering extra to your client. Yeah, a little bit extra of a towel, a little bit of extra of a hand massage, nice soothing music, nice smell, tidy, and everything is clean. And when client will feel looked after, pampered and cared for, they will feel as a luxurious service that you're offering.
Okay.
That was it for today. Bye bye.